Welcome. In front of me is an EMPORIA Smart 0.4, and today I'll show you how you can import your contacts from your SIM card to the phone. So to get started, you will want to open up your Standalone contacts application. From here, tap on the three bars right here and go to Settings. Now in the settings you'll find import option right at the bottom. Select allow and it will ask you where you want to import contacts from. So I'm gonna select SIM and then it will ask us where you want to import contacts to. So right here you can see I only have phone, but if I were logged into my Google account I would see that as an option right here as well. Basically any Google account will show up here, and I think that's about all will show up here, though I might be wrong. But you can select whichever one you want. I'm gonna stick with phone anyway, so from here let's select next, and this will display all the contacts that are located on the SIM card. So you can select all of them if you want to. So apparently there is no quick way to select all, so we just need to go through them. I'm not going to select all of them, this is enough. So from there we can tap on OK, and this will import the selected contacts. And when we go back, we should be able to find them right here, and sure enough we can. So as you can see, we have doubling contacts right now, like this one. So if I were to pop out the SIM card, the contact with like this tiny little icon right here will disappear. This one and this one as well. And yeah, actually I can just kind of show you. Okay, and you just seen the contacts disappear. Oops. So now we have only the imported contacts. So anyway, that is how you can import your contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.